Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the SYMA X27, the Ladybug. Oh boy, call the doctor. Now SYMA, they keep making these quadcopters and they just X whatever, but there never seems to be any rhyme or reason of these numbers. It's just like whatever the next one quadcopter they come in, they just move it up to the next number. It's not like they stagger them like, high numbers would be, the good stuff, and then the low numbers would be, like the stuff like this. It's just like whatever the next one is just the next number up the ladder. So who knows? Who knows what these people were thinking? Maybe they all got coronavirus and they're not thinking clear. Who knows? All right, let's get it out of the box here and check it out real quick. Here's the manual, and of course, with all these SYMA manuals, they're all good. They do make good manuals. I will give them credit for that. Actually, they make good flying quadcopters, toy quadcopters. I give them credit for that too. So, very nice stuff. Here's the quad itself. Now this comes with a 200 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty small. So you might want to have to maybe clip these prop guards off, maybe give you a little bit more flight time. Probably not that much more, but maybe a little more. There's a little light right there. The battery is internal. There's no way to take it out. And there's a little charge port over here. Right there's the little charge port, and the power button is on here somewhere. I know it's here. It's just hard to see it. It's right here on the bottom. You'll see the in-out symbol right there. And you hold that in and it comes on. So that's nice. But the 200 milliamp hour battery is kind of small, so we're going to take it up and fly it and run the battery down to see what kind of flight time you're going to get with it. Then of course you get your standard stock SYMA controller that has this uses the 4 AA batteries like all of them do. It has the dastardly screw, which I already removed and threw in the garbage. And then you've got your spare props and your little micro USB cable. And that's it. It's not a lot to it. Not a lot to it. I'm actually going to be sending this out to Mike, so when I get done doing the couple of videos, maybe take it outside too once real quick. But I might not even do that. So see what the flight time is if I decide whether or not I want to do that. But yeah, it looks pretty good. And then here's your typical stuff for your, your takeoff, land, your flips, your rate button. And then it has that new SYMA thing there where you hold the button in to do the trim and then trim it that way. So you hold that button in and say you need to trim it to the right, so you would hold the button in and then move the stick like that to the right or forward or backward. Then you got your level calibration. The same stuff as all of them, so it's not too complex. Alright guys, let's just take it over there and fly it around and get some flight time out of this thing and see what we're going to be expecting with this. Alright guys, we're over here with the SYMA X27, the Ladybug. I know we got a little echo in here because the place is empty, but turn it on right here. Just hold it in. Turn on the transmitter. Bind it up. And take off like that. Let's set the level calibration, which is down and to the right. Ooh, the flips are nice and tight. That's how you do the trim. You hold that in. If I trim it back like that, yep, stop drifting. There's the little red light in the front. I'm going to put the flight time in though. Flies really nice. It's very nimble. Very nimble. Flies great. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's only got 2 speeds. There's the roll on the 2nd speed. There's the roll on the 1st speed. So you press this in to get this, change the speeds. Does great flips, real tight, real tight. Yeah, it flies great, man. Yeah, as maneuverable as this thing is, I can guarantee you, you'll be able to fly this outside. No doubt about it. Yes, this will fly outside, no problem. Great stuff from SYMA. SYMA, the king of the toys. So far, this little 200's holding up pretty good. I mean, the thing is very light. You know, I didn't weigh it up, but believe me, it doesn't weigh anything. Then the prop guards, let's check them, see how worthy they are. Come over here and bump the wall. Okay, they work good. See that? Bounce right off of there. Yep, works great. There's the red light in the front. Green in the back. Oh yeah, this is a great toy here, no doubt. Real easy to practice with this. All right, we see that it's great. Okay, so we're just waiting for the battery to die. I'll put the flight time in. Well, I'll probably actually put that little running clock in there. You know, so you'll know for sure, even if you skim through the video, you'll be able to see it as it's counting down. Well, it's still, the flips are still working, which means there's still juice in there. Oh, it's quick too. Believe it or not, that little sucker's fast. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to try to get this outside this week. Maybe I'll take it up to the little office building up there and muck around with it right there on that, where that park bench is. Just sit there on the park bench and fly it around a little bit. Damn, this is the best 200 milliamp hour battery I ever seen. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Croak it out. I could run it to the end, but I don't need to. It's going to be at least 5 minutes on the flight time. There it is. And there she be, right there. The SYMA X27. Very good.